Welcome back to Cook with Faiza, and today I have made delicious coleslaw, and it is very yummy. You should try this. And our ingredients for today was cabbage, onion, carrot, yogurt or sour cream, and mayonnaise. So I've prepared my ingredients. I've used 1 onion, and I have carrot, salt, mustard powder. I also have 2 tablespoons of sour cream and mayonnaise. So in a bowl we'll add our cabbage, okay, and I will go ahead and also add carrot. Okay, go ahead also and add the onions. This was a small onion. It was 1 white. Okay, add your sour cream. As I said, I've used 2 tablespoonfuls. And I've also, you can use yogurt here if you want. So I didn't have yogurt, but sour cream served the purpose. So 2 tablespoonfuls of mayonnaise. This is very easy to make and very delicious. And here this is 1 tablespoon of mustard powder and vinegar, 1 tablespoon, and salt to taste. You can also use black pepper if you want. I didn't add mine, but yes, give it a good mix. And this is very simple and easy to make, guys. Mix well, and it's very ready to eat. You can eat with anything, as you can see. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.